Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum EDU, and here in this session we are back with yet another article for you, and we are going to enhance the word power which is much needed for the competitive exams that we will visit for. The article that we've taken for today is based on the Jammu and Kashmir statehood. This is a recent article, I would say just a day uh, prior. So this was there, and it has vocabulary words related, I would say, pertaining to politics. Okay. See, generally the passages or the, I would say, the sets that you get are either based on economy, are either socio-economic, they are otherwise based on history, sometimes science and facts, and then you have politics as well. So these are the major topics or the sets that you experience or you see. Now it becomes easier if we are aware of the vocabulary or the words associated to these. Not all, it's not possible. The reason is because it is infinite, right? And you have to imbibe it instead of cramming it. There's no rote learning allowed. You have to imbibe it. Now, whether I allow or not, it doesn't make sense. But it is to you that vocabulary can never be crammed. It has to be imbibed, and it is only possible once we get to the usage of it through sentences or probably the way a word is set in a particular frame or in a pattern. Now, as we've also experienced, at the moment part of a speech of the word changes, its meaning and also its usage changes. So that we would experience today as well, and I'll show you how. So let's begin with this. I'll clear up the screen once. So it says time to unlock on a year after the removal of Jammu and Kashmir's statehood. Removal of statehood, what does this mean? Now, statehood is basically the authority or the power or they were enjoying the power of being a state. Like we say in Hindi that there was a Rajya that there's one word which is Rajatva. Basically, they had this statehood, but as of now, we see till date, it's been a year that Jammu and Kashmir has been deprived of this statehood, right? So, what is to be unlocked? Time to unlock. Now, what are we trying to unleash? Another word for unlock would be unleash. It's a synonym, which also means that to open up or to free something. So what are we actually talking about? हम किस चीज़ का बात कर रहे हैं? To unleash or to unlock, we will discuss in this particular article. It further says Jammu and Kashmir can return to normalcy. Now normalcy is noun. Similarly, statehood was also a noun subject here. It would return to normalcy. Normalcy means a normal state of affairs. Okay, a normal state of affairs, like a situation that is considered to be normal and usual and not unusual, right? Another word that I could just recall when it comes to state of affairs is current state of affairs, and we've known and we've used this phrase, and we've actually I would say discussed it a number of times in the previous articles. It was status quo. This phrase itself means present or current state of affairs, which means what is the current situation. You can also replace this phrase with this word, that is status quo. All right. Now, when I say normalcy, it means, I would say, सामान्य स्थिति, जहाँ पर कुछ भी unusual नहीं हो रहा है, everything is usual and like something that is considered normal by majority of the people. Now it says only with full statehood and release of political prisoners. It says that it is only possible that Jammu and Kashmir could come to its normal or usual state once it acquires or it achieves the statehood back. Secondly, once the political prisoners are released. Now, these are two conditions that are stated that this is the only way that Jammu and Kashmir would return or would be back with its normal state of affairs. Now, it says at least 2 dozen politicians in Jammu and Kashmir remain in detention. Now, detention we know, right? Detention is a noun. If we are not aware, I'm going to jot it down right here. Detention in cage, or you can say in behind the bars. They are detained, okay? Detain is the verb which is related to detention. A detention is noun, and if you want to express it as an action word, it will be detain. किसी को I would just erase to catch and keep in control or in your authority or under your supervision. Okay? किसी को डिटेन करके रखना. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं किसी को कैद करके रखना. For example, like if you see terrorists, okay, if you see other prisoners or criminals, they're all detained behind the bars. Now, it says that at least 2 dozen politicians in Jammu and Kashmir remain in detention, some unnotified, which are not even known publicly, it has not been declared. A year after it was deprived of its statehood. Deprived, that is a lack of something. Now, deprive here is used as a verb, किसी चीज़ का कमी होना. So what were they deprived of? It was deprived of its statehood and special constitutional status on August 5 to 2019. So this was the day when Jammu and Kashmir was, or I would say, it's taken aback, all right, of its statehood and special status that it used to hold. Now, last week, People's Democratic Party President and former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti's detention was formally extended by another 3 months under the Jammu and Kashmir Public Safety Act, but several others remain restrained within their homes. Restrained within their homes. They were there intact. Restraint is not to be free. ठीक है, किसी चीज़ से आप बंधे हुए हो, you actually controlling yourself from doing something, that is when you're restraining yourself. Okay, so restrain here is used as a verb. So they others, see the names that have been declared here of the former chief minister and the other people, president, that is PDP president, their detention has been extended, okay, for another 3 months. And the others, they are there restrained, they are in their homes in Kashmir, which is now a union territory under the rule of Delhi. Last week again, the administration flat out denied before the Supreme Court that former Union Minister and Congress leader Saifuddin Soz was under detention, though he has been restrained from moving and speaking freely. Now, when I say flat out denied, flat out is a phrase, all right? When I say flat out denied, which means as fast or as hard as possible. As fast as or as hard as possible. So it actually, I would say outrightly denied. They completely denied that, okay, this is not possible, and they would that he would be under detention, though he has been restrained from going and speaking freely. The freedom that he had has been taken from him. So flat out is right here, it's a phrase, and I've written it, I've jotted down, it's right here. कहते जितना जल्दी और जितनी स्पीडली कोई काम हो सकता है, सो या फिर आप कह सकते हो पूरी तरह से उन्होंने उस चीज़ को डिनाई कर दिया, नकार दिया. So deny here is used as a verb. Further, it says he was allowed to visit his ailing sister but denied a meeting with his daughter by the police on Friday. Ailing is an adjective. The reason is that it is qualifying the noun subject sister, and ailing means in poor health. Or you can say someone who's unwell, जो बीमार है. So he was allowed to visit his ailing sister, but he denied to meet his daughter. Neither the Jammu and Kashmir government nor the centre has released a list or number of leaders who were detained last year. So the list is not available yet. At least 16 National Conference and 8 PDP leaders are under house arrest. According to these parties, former IAS officer and chief of Jammu and Kashmir People's Movement Shah Faisal and Awami Ittihad party leader Engineer Rashid are in detention too. So you see so many names are there and they're all in detention. People's Conference chief Sazad Lone was released after 360 days in detention last week. Two former chief ministers Farooq Abdullah and Omar Abdullah were released in March. This is not much of use, but still we must be aware of it. The 2019 move of the Bharatiya Janata Party government at the centre went beyond the strident Hindutva position. Strident is something that is loud and harsh. So if you see the movement that people had when it comes to the Hindutva position or establishing Hindutva all across the country, that is strident. It is loud and harsh. It is clear, loud and clear in terms of people who are protesting or in terms of people who want it to flag in the entire country. So it's strident. This is an adjective used right here. कहते कोई ऐसा चीज़ जो कि बहुत ही स्टिफ है, जो बहुत ही कठोर हम कहते हैं हिंदी में, राइट, दैट इज तो बहुत ही आई वुड से समथिंग दैट इज सीरियस इंटेंस है, ऐसा कोई चीज़. सो दैट इज स्ट्राइडेंट. So they say it is the centre went beyond the strident Hindutva position against the special status of Jammu and Kashmir by reorganizing it as two union territories. The wisdom of the decisions remains an open question. It is, I would say, just write it. An open question. It is indecisive. It is indecisive. An open question is an idiom, and it means anything that is not decided. Okay, something that is indecisive or undecided until now, that is an open question. कह सकते हो आप जिसका अभी तक ये निर्णय नहीं आया है. ओके, ऐसा टॉपिक जिसके लिए आपने अभी तक जिसका रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर नहीं हुआ, या समथिंग दैट हैज़ नॉट बीन डिसाइडेड कि आपको आगे फ्यूचर में क्या करना है पर्टेनिंग टू दैट पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन. So they say it remains, the wisdom of decisions, they remain as an open question, though they refurbished the BJP's claims of muscular nationalism. Refurbished, जो भी BJP का जो intention है in terms of nationalizing the entire country, okay, or I would say nationalization, so वो उस चीज़ को उन्होंने refurbish कर दिया है. The decisions that they have made so far, that has refurbished it. Refurbished, it has renovated it. कहते उसको, see, renovate or refurbish means to make something or to bring something in a better condition. So वो क्या कर रहे हैं, अपने जो claims हैं या जो country को जो वो बनाना चाहते हैं, even if it's nationalization or is it Hindutva, you term it, it is giving it a new phase or a new, I would say, new reflection throughout. Okay, so refurbish, the word used here is a verb. It is equivalent to renovate or redecorate, किसी चीज़ को better बनाना. Further it says the dubious legislative route. Now dubious is an adjective which means, see, dubious is doubtful. कोई ऐसा चीज़ जो कि आपको जिस पर doubt है, okay, that is dubious. The dubious legislative route that the centre took and the communication restrictions to the population that followed casts a shadow on India's standing as a constitutional democracy. The judiciary, the Jammu and Kashmir High Court and the Supreme Court has not showed any alacrity to settle. Any alacrity is a noun which means they have not shown any sort of readiness. Readiness एक होता है ना, that you are willing to do something, you are yourself active in terms that the judiciary has not expressed so far. It has not been seen or it has not been experienced on the part of judiciary until now that they are in readiness or they have this willingness to take action to settle the constitution or the other, I would say, the questions, the queries that people have in their mind. So it says they have not shown any alacrity to settle the constitutional and legal questions raised before it, and in fact appear to privilege the executive's position in the last 1 year. Some scholars have linked the continuing Chinese aggression in Ladakh to change in Jammu and Kashmir status. The spirit of Indian federalism has been weakened. It has been weakened, which means it has been lowered. It has been weakened. उस चीज़ को कमज़ोर बना दिया गया है. वो खुद कमज़ोर हो गया है because of the decisions that have been made so far. Now, mainstream politics in Jammu and Kashmir has become impossible with leaders in detention and those released reportedly undertaking to stay away from any public discussion on Jammu and Kashmir's future. So they have made to stay away from any sort of public discussion that they could possibly make. This is to, I would say, to preserve or procure Jammu and Kashmir's future. This is not a sustainable situation if India wants to protect its global reputation and uphold the faith of its own citizens. Uphold, that is to maintain. कहते हैं ना कि अपने कंट्रीमैन का जो ट्रस्ट है उस चीज़ को बना कर रखना है अगर. So it is trying its best, the country is trying its best, but this is not the ideal situation, this is not the sustainable situation. There are two steps the centre can take to start a conversation with the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Release all political prisoners and restore its statehood. These will be wise steps towards healing and progress in Jammu and Kashmir. So the crux right here is that there are two ways or two things or two steps that they could make, and these are the wise decisions that the government could make. That is releasing all the political prisoners, and second, that has to be restoring the statehood that was taken away. Now it is up to the government that whether they would make the decision or not, whether they would wish to restore the statehood, or is it beneficial. They have to also ponder over or give it a thought that whether it is useful or will it be beneficial for the entire nation restoring the statehood that the Jammu and Kashmir used to hold. So this was the entire article, and if you ask me for alacrity जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि आपका जो willingness होता है या आप कह सकते हो तो active I would say attitude of yours, जैसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं कि आप कोई भी काम करने के लिए तत्पर हो. So तत्परता is alacrity, because alacrity is a noun. Okay, so this was the entire article, and I would take the word for the day would be dubious, which as I said is an adjective and it means doubtful. For example, though I was dubious about the results, I still managed or I still took the decision to take up the examination. I was dubious about it, but still I went ahead. So you can use it and utilize the word in your today's conversation. Try to imbibe the word and work on the words that we've discussed today. I will see you soon in the next session. You can comment the word usage of the words below. If you have any doubts, you can write to us. Also, the list of the words that we've discussed today is available on the site. You just have to go to the study material section. You would get the list of the words right there on the date of the article that we discussed. Thank you so much, learners, and I shall see you soon. Do not forget to subscribe the channel to keep focusing and being with us in every particular session. Thank you so much.